So welcome back my friend in this my new video, and you can see here there are lots of Android smartphone like Vivo, Samsung, Redmi, Realme, Motorola, Infinix, Realme, Samsung, and all Samsung smartphones are logged. Okay, it means we have to remove this pin pattern password lock in just only 5 minutes without any using any kind of software tool and without any losing any kind of data. So you have to watch this video properly till then, only then you will be able to unlock your all kind of Android smartphone. So let's start this video. First of all my friend, if you have also an Android smartphone and you are facing also this type of issue, means you can't unlock your smartphone from your pin pattern password lock, and your face lock and fingerprint lock also not working on your smartphone. So you have to use all these steps on your smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to connect your smartphone with charger. Okay, and this is very important. You can see here the charging animation has been started, and you have to charge your phone at least 30%. Okay, after that you have to take next step here. So you have to first of all go back to this page. Okay, where your pin pattern password for asking, and in this page you have to open your emergency call option. So you have to open your phone's emergency call option first. Okay, and after that in this page you have to type a code here, and the code is star hash 555 star 970 333 and hash, and you have to call this code for once time only, and after that you have to click OK. Your code will be disappear from your mobile screen. After that you have to go to the home screen and you have to turn off your smartphone. Okay, so press and hold the power button for few seconds, and after that you have to click the power off option. Okay, when your smartphone is turned off, you have to wait for a few seconds for charging animation. Where your charging animation has been started, we have to use our next step. So after that you can see here, though your charging animation is started, after that you have to open your hard reset mode. Don't worry at all, your any data will not erase from your any Samsung Android smartphone. After that you have to press and hold power button plus volume up button for few seconds, and press and hold for few seconds my friend to open your this page. Okay, when your this option comes on your mobile screen, you have to use this recovery mode. But if your touch not working, so you have to use your volume key and power key. Okay, so press the volume down button here and click power button to select this. After that you have to disconnect your charger, and after that you have to wait for a few seconds. If you seriously want to unlock your any Android smartphone in just only 5 minutes without any losing any kind of data, so you have to follow all these steps on your Android smartphone. Okay, after that you can see here the recovery page comes on your Android smartphone. So in this page you have to take some important step here. So watch this video properly. Okay, first of all you have to click the number 2 option, clear data, and press, and you have to clear all file here. So click OK. Okay, click return and click and open the clear all data here and click OK. But the pattern lock is asking to enter. Okay, so you have to use any random 3 password here. Okay, you have to use any 3 password here and click cancel. Okay, After that, go back and you have to click the check system now and wait for few seconds when your checking system will be completed. So after that, we will use the next step here. So while checking, you have to wait for a moment, and you can see here, my friend, the message of integrity of system files checked is comes on your Android smartphone. So click OK. After that, you have to click the restart option here and click restart and wait for a few seconds. If you seriously want to unlock your any Android smartphone's pin pattern password lock, so you have to follow all these steps on your Android smartphone, so that you will be also unlock your any kind of Android smartphone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, LG, Nokia. Okay, so you have to follow all steps here. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your any Android smartphone. And this is working on only Android smartphone. Okay, so wait and watch completely, and wait, almost done, my friend. This smartphone is restarted. When required, I will fast forward this video. After that, you can see here, my friend, this smartphone is successfully restarted. And when you swipe up this smartphone, the pattern lock is now asking to enter. So you have to click this emergency call option again and type Google FRP removal code, and this code will work only this month. If you are watching this video in another month, so you have to require those FRP code and click *#. After that, you have to call this code for once time only and wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and click back. After that, you have to use any random password here for 5 times here. Okay, after that, you have to click the forgot option here, and in this page you have to type a message here. Okay, so I am going to type here in the first option you have to type a skip. On the second line you have to type all space passcode and click verify here and wait for a few seconds. And you can see here, my friend, you have to click the none option here, and your Android smartphone is completely unlocked from this method. If you can't still unlock your any Android smartphone from this method, so you have to comment us with your specific model name. Our team will reply to you within a 5 to 10 minutes. So you will be also able to unlock your any kind of pin pattern password lock of your any Android any Android smartphone. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.